chose the course because I wanted to get a foothold and more understanding into basically the technologies involved in broadcasting and other forms of media.
All they really wanted to is complain about you and how you've done this and that. I'm trying to think of what it was that I've done wrong, but it's just you taking way too long to realize.
I chose the course because I wanted to enhance my production skills. I already had a few releases back in 2007 and I decided that maybe the course would, push me forward in the audio production side of things.
It doesn't really bother me, 'cause I don't care what people say. All you really hear is da 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 da. All you really hear is na 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 na. It doesn't really bother me, 'cause I don't care what people say.
I chose the course because when I left college I didn't use technology, and I wanted to do video as well, but there was nothing really I could find that I did a bit of both. Obviously I came across PSVT and then did both and it was perfect for me.
Cross my mind, made it up this time, because it's getting old. Trying to think of what it was that I've done wrong, but it's just you taking way too long to realize who I am. All you really hear is da 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 da. All you really hear is na 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 na. It doesn't really bother me, 'cause I don't care what people say. All you really hear is da 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 da. All you really hear is na na na.
I think the most important that you learn on the course is self-management. A lot of the time you would be asked to go and complete a task on your own, and it's a really good way of getting out there and getting stuck in and learning the stuff that you have to do in the industry.
Well, I've been wondering what the people have been talking about.
During the course I've learned a lot of video production techniques which I wouldn't have otherwise learned about if I had been doing it by myself. I've learned a few bits and pieces on audio, but there's nothing major that I haven't known before.
Trying to think of what it was that I've done wrong, but it's just you taking way too long to realize who I am.
Afterwards is obviously looking for a job in the industry, depending on what area. That's what's great about PSVT, because I can either do editing, I can do music, I can do video, I can do web design, I can do animation, I can do all of them, that's why it's great, PSVT. And it's just so much variety that you can choose from. Instead of doing one particular subject, I've got a variety of 3 or 4 subjects, which is obviously going to look good on the CV, and then hopefully get me a job a lot quicker.
In summer, just past, I managed to get a job with the BBC as a broadcast technologist. So already, just from completing the HND, you do have the ability to get into the industry and be able to do something that you're going to enjoy.